Hey everyone! The HUAWEI MatePad 11.5S has arrived, giving a surprisingly rich experience for its small price of roughly $230. Packed with innovative features including a matte screen, a 144Hz refresh rate, and superb speakers, this tablet hopes to upset the mid-range industry. Let's get into the details and see why this device stands out. Before we start, I want to ask you to subscribe to the channel. This will help me make videos more often. At first appearance, the MatePad 11.5S appears to be a high-end tablet. The aluminum unibody design is elegant and minimalist, measuring only 6.2 millimeters thick and weighing a comfortable 510 grams without accessories. This makes it easy to use for extended periods of time, whether you're reading, drawing, or watching video. The tablet offers a gorgeous 11.5-inch display surrounded by narrow bezels, giving it a modern design. The 4 speakers arranged strategically around the smartphone create an immersive music experience, while the magnetic case gives practicality. For those willing to pay a little more, the optional keyboard and stylus accessories turn the MatePad 11.5S into a productivity powerhouse. The MatePad 11.5S's screen is without a doubt its focal point. The tablet comes in 2 variants, one with a normal IPS display and another with a matte PM layer. The latter is especially striking, imitating the texture of paper for a glare-free, tactile experience that is great for reading and writing. The display's 144Hz refresh rate allows for quickness and fluid scrolling. When needed, it can even lower to 30 Hz to conserve battery. At 500 nits, the screen's maximum brightness. Its vivid colors overshadow this minor drawback, making it ideal for browsing, watching videos, and light gaming. The MatePad 11.5S's internal components include 256 gigs of internal storage, 8 gigs of RAM, and Huawei's Kirin 9000W CPU. Despite falling into mid-range bracket with these specifications, the tablet performs better than expected. Even demanding games like Genshin Impact and PUBG Mobile function nicely on medium settings, apps launch rapidly, and multitasking is seamless. Harmony OS-based EMUI 14 interface improves the experience with its smooth animations and user-friendly layout. Intense multitasking is only small hitch, with sporadic program reloads occurring, but these are by no means deal breakers. The absence of native Google services on Huawei is one of the main issues for prospective customers. Nonetheless, Huawei's app gallery has undergone substantial development and now provides a wide range of applications. Alternatives like Micro-G make installation simple for people who require Google services, giving them access to YouTube, Gmail, and other services. App Gallery also interfaces with other app stores, making it simple to get even uncommon or regionally unique programs. App Gallery contains everything you need, including productivity tools, streaming services, and financial apps. For MatePad 11.5S, Huawei provides an optional magnetic shell that includes a detachable keyboard and stylus. While the stylus offers accurate input for drawing or taking notes, keyboard is pleasant and responsive for typing. With these add-ons, tablet becomes a more flexible tool for business or creativity. In terms of sound quality, MatePad 11.5S excels because of its 4 excellent speakers that produce rich, clear sound. For a tablet in this price range, the sound quality is excellent whether you're viewing movies or listening to music. Another advantage is battery life. When using the device for moderate purposes such surfing, streaming, and light gaming, the 8,800 mAh battery may comfortably run for 10 to 11 hours. The 22.5 watts charging speed is adequate for overnight recharges, even though it isn't revolutionary. The tablet has 2 cameras, an 8 megapixels front camera, and a 13 megapixels back camera. These aren't high-end cameras, but they're more than sufficient for occasional pictures and video calls. For virtual meetings, the front camera is ideally positioned for landscape use. The MatePad 11.5S has shortcomings despite its many advantages. For people who prefer a tidy setup, pre-installed applications may seem excessive and cluttered. Furthermore, even though the matte display is highlighted, it is prone to smudges and fingerprints, which can be challenging to remove. Lastly, users are only able to connect via Wi-Fi due to absence of LTE compatibility. which may be a disadvantage for professionals who are constantly on the go. For individuals looking for high-end experience on a budget, HUAWEI MatePad 11.5S is excellent choice. It is a formidable competitor in its price bracket thanks to its matte 144Hz display, reliable operation, superb audio, and adaptable accessories. Although it falls short of flagship-level performance, it is incredibly affordable and can easily compete with devices that are twice as much. MatePad 11.5S is clear choice for professionals, students, or casual users looking for inexpensive secondary device. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.